All right, Todd with Jeep Speed Shop. Here's a video show our bracket for the Hydro Boost for a Jeep JK from 07 to 18 JK. This will work. And this is the bracket that came off the Hydro Boost that we used from the Ford. This is from a Ford F350 2000. And it actually comes with these studs. So this is how I sell this piece. But the part you press in, because these were pressed into here, but as you can see, that hole a little bigger than this hole, right? So, and we bought now 2 of these, and the stud sizes have been different, so we figured we'll just go with this hole size, and it's easier to go up than it is to go down. So we can drill them out, but you can't put the metal back. So we started with this size, so you can always put the bolt in there and weld the the stud in, but I just think it's better just to knock the studs out of the bracket we get from the Hydro Boost, which is, I'll show it more in the future here, and then just drill it to the size so you can knock the studs in. So it makes it kind of cool, makes it easy to install. All right, well, as I progress installing this Hydro Boost and this Jeep JK, we're going to kind of go step by step on how it goes. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.